Looks like some boutique shops. Let's see what's over here. It's kind of interesting. Handmade studio. Kind of a Japanese theme. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, I'm in this brand new place called Taipa Plaza. It's kind of interesting. I just saw it pop open about a week ago, 2 weeks ago maybe, and it basically has all these new shops, and you got some kind of interesting names. Happy Fat Guy. It's like I don't know. Looks like a lot of it is just still being opened up. There's more up on the top, but we're just gonna go through it now. It's kind of interesting. M Space Taipa Plaza is the name. Angel Workshop. Yeah, it's brand new. It's kind of, there's nothing really quite like it. I've seen lots of stuff like this in when you go into Zhuhai, but not in Macau so much. Kind of got endless stalls. This would probably be like a haircut place. That way you can go upstairs. We'll go up there in shortly. -1, like a coffee shop. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. iBox Express. Let's see. So all of these are kind of empty. So later they'll all be filled up. There's lots of rental spaces available, especially down in this corner. Yeah, it looks kind of interesting. So yeah, it's brand new. Let's walk down. So we went down 1, 2. This is the first one down this time. Yeah, lots of rental spaces available. There's a lot more spaces up ahead. It's like some boutique shops. Let's see what's over here. It's kind of interesting. Handmade studio. Kind of a Japanese theme. Tea Pearl. Healthy Organic. Daily Poke. I think that's going to be Poke. Let's see. It's like Thai. That's a Thai one. Thai Homemade. It looks like that could be pretty interesting later. Welcome. Massage place. Handmade baking. Huh. It's kind of interesting. All these little opportunities here. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna head on up. Made in Macau 2021. That looks interesting. Oh, there's more stuff back there. This is like a pretty lively little alley right here. I guess at the moment people are still getting their spaces, so this is a good space because it's when people first come down. Oh, it's really eclectic. Boutique. Okay, so I think what we're going to try to do, -1, we're going to try to go upstairs here. I came downstairs recently, but we're going to try going up. And I didn't really see what's all in here, so this will be our chance to take a look. Oh, this goes outside. Okay. So this comes out here. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So that's one entrance, and then right here is this little space. And then we're gonna go down that way. Give you a little bit of a context. This is called Sun Yat-sen Avenue. So it's kind of a main road. There's McDonald's there. Taipa Park is down that way. There's like a skyway thing. This is the other direction behind us. You got some buildings. It's kind of it's about 8:30. So we basically just went down inside. Then you have these different stores this way, and right here we're gonna see an entrance to it. We're ready for you. Taipa Plaza, Taipa shopping mall. Here it is right there. The Taipa Plaza space. Hard to catch that properly. Step back a little bit. And then in the immediate space is this one. Health code. So yeah, this one. And then down there, that's where I was just at. So down there is where they have some of these already set up. And lots of spaces are still available, it looks like. More over that way too. Yeah, it looks kind of interesting. So yeah, lots of like small opportunity of little shops and things like that. Okay. Taipa Plaza space. So Taipa Plaza space. We're gonna walk out and see if I can capture some kind of imagery this. So I guess we'll go down this crosswalk right here. Go down that way. Then now we can capture it from this way. So that's Taipa Plaza space right there, and that's one with all the shops. So we went in that entrance, and there's another one down that way. So there's two ways to get in. Let's just kind of cross over this way. Now you can see it from this way and from that way. Okay. Just for a little context, there's McDonald's right here. And you got this kind of nice big roundabout right here. And it's Avenue to Dr. Sun Yat-sen. And then there's our Taipa Plaza space. You can see lots of apartments up above too. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado da boquinha.